What's up, guys? It's Doo Poker here, back for another 3-bet pot theory concept video using GTO Wizard. Okay, very common spot. We are the button. The cutoff opens. We have a range that wants to 3-bet. We 3-bet. The cutoff calls. King 6-3, very common spot. We decide the 1/3 range, okay? Let's say I'm going to give you a hand. I'm going to give you 8-7 suited. You got a little spicy pre-flop, and you range 1/3 on the flop, okay? Cutoff calls. On the turn, a 9 comes. We pick up an open-ender. Now, I want you to think how often we should double barrel our 8-7 suited here, all right? So let me know if you think it's 100% mixed or 100% check. Let's see what the solver says. Basically 100% checked. Now, this may be counterintuitive, but why is it 100% checked? We picked up equity. Well, you have to think about what is our target on the turn. So our target on the turn is 8s and 7s. 8-7 suited blocks those hands. So you're blocking the folding range. Let's say we bet 50. Let's see what cutoff 0 EV continues are. 7-7, 8-8. You don't want to block the folding range. So because of this, we check back the turn, even though we picked up equity. This is an important concept. So even though we picked up equity, we still check back on the turn. Okay? I'm going to show you another spot that also illustrates this concept. That was cutoff versus button. Let's go to small blind. Let's go to small blind versus big blind 3-bet. So I'm going to give us 6-5 suited, okay? Let's say you have 6-5 of spades. You decide to 3-bet. Small blind calls. The flop comes Jack 7-2, okay? Small blind checks to the pre-flop raiser. It's mixed. We decide to c-bet for 50% pot, okay? We bet 50. Small blind calls. The best turn in the deck for us, 4 of spades. We pick up. We have 6-5 of spades. The best turn in the deck for us, we pick up a flush draw and an open-ended straight draw, okay? So how often do you think 6-5 of spades double barrels on the turn? Cue Jeopardy music. Okay, well, we have to think about targets, right? What are we targeting? It never bets. 6-5 suited just picked up a flush draw and an open-ended straight draw, and it 100% checks back. Let's look at the EV difference. What's the EV difference? Checking. Checking and betting, it's over a 1 big blind difference if you bet half pot. Now, that might surprise you, but we have to go back to the first hand, the concepts that we're thinking of. What is our target? Our target on the turn is 6s and 5s. So because we're blocking the folding range here, let's say we bet 50% pot. We bet 50 on the flop. We're going to bet 50 on the turn. Look, 5-5, 0 EV, 6-6, 0 EV. So because we block the folding range, we always check back 6-5 suited on the turn, even though we picked up a flush draw and a straight draw, because you don't want to block the folding range. That's how important it is. It's a 1BB mistake to bet. Okay? So both of these hands illustrate the concept of, even though we picked up equity, we don't just automatically bet turns, because you have to look at what you're targeting. If you're blocking the folding range, then we want to check back. Okay, so this is a very important 3-bet pot concept. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you in the next one.